What's up, guys? Josh with Navigate the Wild. I've been wanting to get into the world of self-filming. I'm going to give you a bit of a rundown of what we're going to run this year in the 2025 season, strap it on the tree, and check it out. So first off, we've got the Fourth Arrow camera arm, and we are going with the satellite arm kit. What comes in the Fourth Arrow box is basically your base system. You have your triple arm, and this thing is really light. I'm going to give you the specs on this bad boy. It kind of reaches out, and it just slides over the top, okay? Just like that, 25 inches here. It'll hold up to 5 pounds, which for a cell phone is no problem. The kit in total weighs less than the base of the Talon itself. The other thing that they include here for those that want to stay as silent as possible, you have your roll buckle and your hook system. Looks like about 8 foot. The hook itself has a coating over it. So that is the camera arm that's going to hold the cell phone. If you are in the market for fluid heads, there's a bunch of companies. Genesis 3D has a sub 1 fluid head. Painted Arrow has their version of a fluid head. Fourth Arrow has their version of a fluid head. And with the exception of Genesis 3D, all the fluid heads that you're going to find around this size, which is about half a pound, with these features are about $100+. Small rig, find it on Amazon. And I don't even think this is the smallest one they have, but it comes in at just about a half a pound. Has all the features that I was hoping for. Beauty of it is 50 bucks. Matter of fact, I got it on sale for 42. It's got a magnetic Allen key system to adjust. Third piece of the puzzle, what's gonna hold the cell phone? I went with Painted Arrow's Mag Pro head. Very strong magnet. I mean, that sucker. And they give you a magnet plate, which is really nice. It says Painted Arrow on it. And that is a serious magnet. It's got the Painted Arrow logo on it. You go. Screws on it, and then you just secure it in place. Now you got your cell phone base plate right there. It's on the tree, super tight. And I purposely have done it so it's not super level because I want you to see this. The camera arm is small enough to fit in my back pocket, and it's not tight. I mean, that thing is in there nice and easy. Get over here to the tree, and it slides on. We're fully set up now. We've got our up and down. We have our posts that allow us to go left and right. Got to make sure this is level. We have our Painted Arrow Mag Pro head, just clips, just like that. And now we've got our setup. It pans left to right. It moves in and out. Low light settings, no problem. Can zoom in with my fingers, hit record, no problem. This magnet's so strong that I could easily, get the neighbor, I could easily have my receiver in there and get microphone audio as well. This is the perfect ultralight setting for hunting if you want to just dip your toe in the world of self-filming. Navigate the Wild.